In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use open invoice and collection reports in QuickBooks, specifically tailored for those using QBO Advanced. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate your way over to the left panel on your QuickBooks interface. You'll see a series of menu options there, each dedicated to a specific aspect of your financial data management. From these options, find and click on Reports. This is your gateway to all the different reports QuickBooks has to offer, each designed to give you valuable insights into various facets of your business finances. Once you're in the Reports section, your next step is to go to the Standard Reports tab. You'll find this located at the top of the screen, and clicking on it will showcase a wide array of pre-configured reports that QuickBooks provides. These standard reports are ready-made to help businesses like yours get a good snapshot of what's going on without having to build something from scratch. Now, among the options presented in the Standard Reports tab, you'll want to select the Open Invoice report. This particular report is extremely useful as it functions both as an Open Invoices overview and as a collection report, giving you a comprehensive look at what invoices are still outstanding and what needs to be collected. Once you have the Open Invoice report open, you'll have the opportunity to customize it according to your preferences and needs. Begin by setting the desired date range to focus on a specific period you're interested in reviewing. Do you want to get a snapshot of just this month's invoices, or perhaps a quarterly overview? The choice is yours. Additionally, you can modify the columns to include any extra details that will give you a clearer picture of your collection status, such as customer names, invoice numbers, due dates, and amounts. These customizations can transform the report into a powerful tool tailored precisely for your reporting needs. After you've made all your customizations, the final step is to save the report. Look for the Save button at the top right of your screen and click on it. This will secure all your adjustments and allow you to access this personalized report again in the future without having to start from scratch. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you now have a powerful open collections report at your fingertips, ready to help you keep track of outstanding invoices with ease and efficiency. This process sheds light on your financial operations, aiding in planning and decision-making. I hope you found this guide easy to follow, and that you're feeling more confident in leveraging QuickBooks reports for managing your business's receivables. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting!